அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். சென்னை பல்கலைக்கழக RUSA 2.0 திட்டத்தின் கீழ் நடைபெறுகின்ற இந்த 5 நாட்கள் இணைய வழியிலான ஆசிரியர் திறன் மேம்பாட்டு இந்த பயிற்சியினுடைய 4ஆம் நாள் நிகழ்விற்கு உங்கள் அனைவரையும் வருக வருக என வரவேற்பதில் மிக்குளி மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். கடந்த 3 நாட்கள் வெற்றிகரமாக பயணித்துள்ளோம். நம்மளுடைய பொழிவாளர் பேராசிரியர் விமல் ஜெரால்ட் அவர்கள் அந்த நம்ம கற்றல் கற்பித்தல்ல தொழில்நுட்பங்களை பயன்படுத்தக்கூடிய நுணுக்கமான நுட்பங்களை நமக்கு தெளிவா எடுத்துரைத்தாங்க. அந்த வகையில நான் நேத்து கூட நான் சொன்னேன், ஜூம்ல இப்படி பண்ண முடியுமா அப்படிங்கிறத ஒரு வித்தியாசமான மாற்றுப்பாதையில யோசிக்க வச்ச ஒரு பேராசிரியர் சொன்னா மிகையாகாது. அதை விட அவரை நான் சொல்லணும். ஏன்னா சார் நிறைய இடத்துக்கு போகணும். அதுதான் என்னுடைய ஆசை. அன்பானவர், பண்பானவர், அமைதியானவர், பொறுமையானவர், நிதானமானவர். நீங்க எத்தனை தடவை கேட்டாலும் திருப்பி திருப்பி சொல்லுவார், கோவமே வராது. இந்த பண்புகள் தான் இன்னைக்கு நிறைய பேர்கிட்ட இல்ல, ஓப்பனா சொல்றேன். அந்த வகையில எல்லாமே ஒரு சேர அமைந்ததுன்னா அது நம்மளுடைய பேராசிரியர் தான். அந்த திறன் தான் மாணவர்கள்ட்ட நம்மள கொண்டு சேர்க்கிறதுக்கான சிறந்த ஒரு காரணிகள்னு நான் நினைப்பேன். அந்த வகையில கடந்த 3 நாட்களும் நல்ல ஒரு அந்த செயல்முறைகளை டெமோ நமக்கு வழங்கினாங்க. இன்னைக்கு முக்கியமானது அந்த OBS அந்த சிஸ்டம் ஓபன் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது. இந்த பயிற்சி வகுப்பினுடைய உயிர் துடிப்பு, நாடி துடிப்புன்னு கூட சொல்லலாம். யாருமே மிஸ் பண்ணாதீங்க, தயவு செய்து. இந்த வகுப்பு ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது, கவனிங்க. இதுதான் நம்மளுடைய கண்டென்ட் ரெடி பண்ணுவதற்கான அடிப்படை. யாரும் டோன்ட் மிஸ் இட் ப்ளீஸ். கொஞ்சம் இது பண்ணுங்க. நான் வீடியோ எல்லாம் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி யூடியூப் எல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு மெயில் ஐடிக்கு நான் ஷேர் பண்றேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தாலும் நீங்க பின்னாடி அதை பார்த்து கத்துக்கலாம். அந்த வகையில இந்த 4ஆம் நாளினுடைய இந்த அமர்வினை நம்மளுடைய சிறப்புமிகு பொழிவாளர் பேராசிரியர் விமல் ஜெரால்ட் அவரிடம் ஒப்படைத்து விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you very much, sir, for the compliments. You are generous in appreciating. Thank you. I'm motivated every time when you say few words of compliments. Thank you very much, sir. You are magnanimous. Thank you, dear participants, for your compliments too. I'm really motivated. Respected Dr. Stephen, the coordinator, the director of RUSA 2.0, University of Madras. Respected coordinator of Entrepreneurship Cell and the coordinator of this FDP, Dr. Sankar Narayanan, and the coordinator of Entrepreneurship Cell, Dr. Manjula Madam, and all of you, dear participants. A very good evening to you all. Now let me go on straight away for the yesterday's proceedings. Yesterday you have given us, I think the organizers have shared me the feedback and the questions. I wanted to deal, there is one mistake in the question. That's why I'm very particular that I should deal with that. One question, it is specified wrongly. Many of you are right, and the question is specified wrongly. So you need not bother about it. Let me just share the thing and let us deal it for 2 minutes and go for the session straight away. Now, dear professors, I suppose the feedback, the screen is visible to you. Is the screen visible? Sir, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now look at here. 136 participants have registered. Yes, sorry, have filled the form, and the feedback given is 83% have given that it is excellent, and the remaining very less number, but we are happy with the the feedback given. Thank you very much. And your learning, it comes about 66.9. That is also something good. We appreciate your learning ability. Thank you very much. And your take home, many of you have said that virtual video, creating video with some editing, screen recording, Zoom video making, the concept of video making. So all these are some of the gist of what the take home from the session yesterday. And now, dear professors, for suggestions as such, many of you have given only compliments. Many of you have enjoyed, and many of you have given extra words also for the appreciation. Yeah, one of the professors have said yesterday, I think again, he or she is interested in knowing about more animations. See, we will also be happy to deal with animations, but see, when we deal with animation, we will not be able to cover the scheduled program. We are ready to I am ready to go even beyond 8, but we have scheduled programs, scheduled work. That is why we don't want to disturb you during your programs, during your other schedule. Now, dear participants, one of the participants is given that dynamics of video presentation is suggested. See, every time we are allotted or we are constrained with the limited time. So within the limited time, I'm trying to give more information on the particular topic. See, if you want to deal some more with that, see, time is also needed. I'm ready to sit back, but you need to think of the timing. So if there is time, okay, no problem. If you have any clarification, there itself you ask. For example, I ask you every now and then. If you have anything to know more about that, please ask me. I'll repeat, no problem.
Sir?
Because that day content cannot be taken to the next day because other things have to be dealt with on that day. So scheduled program will be affected and it will be delayed. That is why we don't want to take the program scheduled in one day to the next day. Okay, if anything is necessary, please always give me in the chat. We'll definitely deal with it. Okay,
sir?
Yes, sir.
ஒரு எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு இது சொல்லிக்கிறேன். நான் ரூசா கோஆர்டினேட்டர், இசிஹெச் கன்வீனர், எங்க வைஸ் சான்சலர் எல்லாம் பெர்மிஷன் கேட்டு இன்னொரு எஃப்டிபிக்கு அப்ரூவல் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா அனிமேஷனுக்கே நம்ம இன்னொரு எஃப்டிபி ஒரு 5 days கண்டக்ட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கறத இங்க நான் அஷூரன்ஸ் கொடுக்குறேன். வித் பெர்மிஷன் கிடைச்சதுனா ஷூர்.
Fantastic from the organizers.
Please do that, sir. Excellent. Please do that.
துணைவேந்தர்ட்ட கேட்டுட்டு பெர்மிஷன் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா நம்ம பண்ணலாம். கட்டாயம்.
That's great.
எங்க துணைவேந்தர் கொடுப்பாரு, எதுக்குமே இல்லைன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டாரு. அள்ளி கொடுக்கக்கூடிய வள்ளல் எங்க துணைவேந்தர், கட்டாயம் நம்ம நடத்தலாம். We will do it. Sure.
So great of you, the organizers. Great, sir. Great. Immediately see that is the leadership that the organizers possess. Thank you, sir. So no more instruction on that. Don't worry. We deal more on animations. Okay, if there is some more instruction. And one of the professors say that even though we have to hands-on homework, the practical homework can be given. It will be helpful. See, every of my FDP, professors, please understand, every of my FDP, wherever I go, I insist giving homework. See, these days, earlier we were in lockdown, so we were comparatively free, so we can get work done from the professors. Right now, we have regular routine. So if you are loaded with the regular works, for submission of assignments on daily basis, we feel that it is a difficult for all of you, dear professors. So the organizers we decided to get one project. See, out of all these 5 days work, out of all these 5 days concepts that are dealt with content making, you have to submit a project for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Only one project, video content, e-content. One project have to be submitted based on the standards that are specified or that are dealt during these sessions. So you are submitting and the time will be given by professor himself and he will give you instruction tomorrow to submit assignments. So definitely assignment is there. Please do practice as you have suggested and every day just have the hands-on and as a culmination you develop a content, e-content and submit it as an assignment. That will be the assignment. Okay, dear professors, that's all with regard to suggestions given. Thank you very much for the compliments. Many generous compliments were there. Thank you very much. So we are happy with the feedback given also. We'll definitely reflect on that. Dealing with animations or dealing more on video making, right? The first question, screen recording tools are the best for demonstrations. So you have given collaborative lecture, chalk and talk. All these are correct, of course, but the best is demonstration. So part A. And ICT tools used for recording and camera is, see, ICT tool used for screen and camera. See, this question, the right answer is Screencast-O-Matic. Many of you have given this only few of you have given free cam. Free cam, you have no option to record the camera. So actual answer is Screencast-O-Matic. So it is wrongly specified. Those of you who have been deprived of 2 marks, don't worry, you have given that. And we don't decide or we don't judge upon marks. So don't worry about your score. Let us think of building our skills. No bother about the score that is given or specified. Maximum time permitted for recording in Screencast-O-Matic is absolutely 15 minutes. All of you have given right answer except a few. What are the options available in Screencast-O-Matic to record? See, only screen plus camera, only camera, neither screen nor camera. The second one, screen plus camera. That is the answer. And 117 have given the right answer. State true or false. So absolutely free cam has no time limit. So many of you have given the right answer except few have gone wrong. That's something amazing from your part, learning, ensuring your learning. Now we will move on for the today's portion to be covered. Dear professors, today we are going to deal with OBS. OBS is a screen recorder. Dear professors, OBS is a screen recorder. Let me just go ahead for that. 1 minute. Kindly hold on. OBS is a screen recorder. 1 minute. Let me just take up. Yes, I'm sharing the presentation. 1 minute. 1 minute, dear professors. Are you able to get my screen? 1 minute. Yeah. Are you getting the screen, sir? Yeah. Yes. OBS is expanded as Open Broadcaster Software. Professors, please be reminded of Open Broadcaster Software, OBS. It is a completely a free and open source tool. Completely a free. What do you mean by open source? See, for example, Zoom, you have fixed options. Zoom is not a free tool, it's a fixed option. You cannot change anything. You cannot do a record this side, or you cannot bring camera this side. No, it is fixed options. They are fixed with features. But open source means any software you can customize as per your need. You can customize and you do anything as you want. That is what we call by open source. And this tool helps us to screen record. It helps us to screen record. Also, it helps us to broadcast. For example, imagine if I don't have Zoom, if I don't have Google Meet. So I can very well make use of OBS to live cast or broadcast using YouTube. So OBS is a wonderful tool even to run a channel. If you want to run a channel, all of you, tomorrow we will be having demonstration on YouTube. So we'll be able to create a channel and we'll be able to run and live stream your channel using this OBS tool. So as teachers, it is good that we learn this beautiful tool of creating your content and disseminating the content through YouTube or through some other means. Okay, dear professors, let me directly take you for the demonstration of OBS. Now let me go from the beginning. Now, dear professors, you will have to 1 minute. Let me go for entire screen. Yes, I suppose my screen is visible to you now. Is it visible, sir? Is it visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now go to Google. Please follow. I have already given the course material to Dr. Shankar. He will share it in turn to you. Now here you type OBS. That's all. OBS. You need not do it now itself, but note it. You can do it later. OBS. I've done it. Now here, once after typing OBS, I get the first link as obsproject.com. obsproject.com. Click on it. Click on it. Open Broadcaster Software. Please be reminded of Open Broadcaster Software. Right. Here you have got different versions. If you are using Windows, please click here. If you are using Apple, Mac OS, you click here. If you are using Linux OS, you click here. So many of us use Windows. When you click here, automatically downloader starts. A file starts downloading. Okay, OBS file, exe file. Double click and install that. You will be able to install. See, the OBS file is this OBS supports only from Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11. Not the lower version. If you are using Windows 7, it will not run in your laptop. So you should have Windows 8.1, Windows 10, and Windows 11. Only in the 3 categories it works in Windows. Okay, dear professors, I click here and it gets downloaded. Look at here. It is getting downloaded. It's slowly getting downloaded. I'm just looking for the file. It is slowly getting downloaded, and there is a, I think there is a, it is getting downloaded. Look at here. It comes about 112 MB. Professors, I'm just cancelling this because I have it already. It comes about 112 MB. Please download it and double click install it. Okay, dear professors. Is there any clarification installing OBS? Can I have your queries if any? Kumar, Dr. Subodh. Oh, sir. Okay, no problem. Don't worry. Sir will talk to you in English. Okay, don't worry. Right. Yes, now tell me. Now tell me if you have any clarification with regard to installation. Have you all got it? Have you all understood how to install it? Let me just tell you again. Go to Google. type OBS. Look at there. Go to Google. It is Google. Type OBS here, OBS here, enter. Click the first link, obsproject.com. Click on it. And you have three options. Click on Windows. When you click on Windows, automatically a downloader starts. Double click the file and install your file. Okay, dear professors, you all the professors should have this tool. I strongly recommend. Yeah, yes, Dr. Muthupandi. Yes, you are right. Absolutely. Live. Yes. Yes. Have you all understood? If you have understood, press 1 quickly. Have you all understood? If you have understood, press 1 quickly. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Great of you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Downloaded. Very good. Some of you have downloaded. Very good. So those of you who could not follow, please make use of the tutorial that will guide you more. Now, I have downloaded my OBS. Let me open my OBS. Okay. This is OBS. OBS. I've downloaded my OBS. Okay, I've given the OBS. Yes, this is OBS. Look at there. This is OBS tool. Let me start from the scratch. OBS has already got few files. Let me start from the scratch. 1 minute, dear professors. Let me just write few details here to make you all understand. Yes, yes. Now let me explain you from the scratch. Okay, dear professors. Now on your right, look at there on your right. On your right, look at here. This is the window. This is the window where the project. Let me make it empty and tell you. Okay. Let me make it empty and let you know this. Right. 1 minute. 1 minute, dear professors. One minute, dear professors. I'm just activating. Let me close my camera in Google Meet. I'm coming back to OBS. Yes. Look at there, as if I'm reading from I'm reading a news. Okay, I can make use of, right now I was sitting in a background, plain background, but right now you get a feel that I am sitting in a news reading room environment. So I'm going to tell you how to do all these, right, dear professors? So let me explore you how to start from the scratch. Okay, dear professors. Now kindly hold on for a moment to take up few data so that now let me just delete everything. Okay, this is studio setup just to show you how it looks like, right? Okay, now I'm just deleting everything. Okay, I'm just deleting all these and explain you. Look at here, I have my PowerPoint and I can do that. Now let me explain everything. See, I'm just removing the PowerPoint. I'm just removing this set entirely. Look at here, I'm just removing this set entirely. Entire set is removed. And the first one I'm just removing, right? This cannot be removed, but I can remove all these. Wait, let me begin from the scratch. Right. I've removed everything. Now let me explain you the environment. Let me explain. Am I audible, sir? Am I audible? Am I connected?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now look at here. See, dear professors, if the window on the top, black color, that will be the preview, or that will be the working area. Whatever you do, that will be seen here. And look at here, the first window. First window is called as scene by scene. For example, exactly I tell you, to make you all simply understand, you have different stages for sound and light program. At a time, do you see all the stages? No, you see one stage and next stage, next stage, next stage, and each stage there will be some characters. Similarly, you can define stages here, scenes here, and each scene, what screen should come, whether PowerPoint or whether some Tally application or whether some other PDF file. So you can have different scenes and different places, and you can explain that. For example, I'm dealing with anatomy, human anatomy. I want to show in one window, one scene, presentation. Next scene, a video. In next scene, another video. In next scene, my face to explain. So all these you can put up in scenes here. Look at here. Right now I have only one scene. If I want to add another scene, how do I do that? Look at here, plus. You can click and make scene number 2. Look at here, scene number 2. See, scene number 2 has come. If you want to add one more, click the plus symbol and you can add scene number 3. See, I have added scene number 3. Now, how many scenes that I have created? 1, 2, 3. In each scene, there are 3 scenes that I have created, but no scene is created with the source. Now, what do? I'm going to create source here. See, first file. First scene is here. I'm going to create a scene here. Now, my idea is to, professors, please understand. Let me just explain to you. Now, I open my camera and let me just explain you. Please understand. My idea is to make you all understand to just what should come, what should appear in the first scene, what should appear in the second scene, what should appear in the third scene. Okay, dear participants, to create e-content. So in the first slide, first scene, I have to put up a poster that Dr. Subodh Kumar has asked for a question. In OBS, we don't edit video. We create only video. We cannot edit here. Editing is not possible. Editing is not possible. We can only create video. You will understand. You will understand. Don't worry. I will explain you. Now in OBS, what do? We create the first scene. We create a stage. We create the poster. Second scene, first scene we create poster, and the second scene I appear in camera. I appear in camera and talk to the learners. And the third scene, we go ahead with coming back to presentation, explaining the presentation. So I have 3 scenes, and each scene I have specified what it should come and all that. So once again, let me tell you the sequence. The first scene I want to have. 1 minute, kindly hold on. Sorry, there was a person who came in. Sorry, I'm very sorry. Right. Now, please listen, dear professors. The first scene, I want to have the poster, what the e-content consists of. And the second, I want to appear in camera and talk to learners in full screen, giving introduction to the presentation or the e-content. And the third scene, I wanted to go by my presentation. And after the presentation is over, I wanted to come back to second scene, appear in full screen and give the end note. Do you all understand the flow of video creation? The suggestion for, it is my suggestion for creating e-content. Once again, let me tell you, first one, poster on your title. Second scene, please understand, second scene, you appear in camera and give a welcome note and introduce the topic. And third, you move on to presentation or demo screen and explain. And once after demonstration or PPT presentation is over, come back to the second scene, appear in full screen and just end with a fine note. Okay, this is the plan. Okay, dear participants, now I'm going to explain that in OBS. Now, is there any clarification opening up OBS with regard to stage and scene? Scene is, see, please understand, scene is a place or a window where you want to add your PowerPoint or a video, or you can add anything, any more elements you can add. Source means in a scene, what are the elements? Maybe video camera, PowerPoint, or maybe any other source. So you can add in one scene, what are all the sources? I will demonstrate it, you will understand better. Right. Now look at there. Are you able to see it? Now I'm in the first scene, scene number 1. Here I am going to create a poster. I'm going to create a poster. Where should I create my poster? Please tell me, where should I create my poster? Where can we create posters easily? PPT. Where will we create posters easily? PowerPoint. We have dealt PowerPoint. Yes, good. Now I'm going to PowerPoint to create a poster. Right. Let me go ahead. Look at here. I'm just going for the PowerPoint. Look at here. I just open. Look at here, I'm just creating a empty. See, look at here, this is an empty one. I go to insert, look at here, I go to insert and click this shape. I take up this rectangle and draw over it. Look at there on the top, draw over it. And the same, look at here, I'm just filling the color with, right? And at the bottom, copy this and put it at the bottom. Look at here, I'm just putting it at the bottom and here, I've just done it. Or you can even put up some other color. Look at there, you can even put up some other color. Just goes along with. Okay, if it is not good, you can go with the same color. Okay, same color I'm just doing. All right, here on the top, I put up my logo of the college, or you put up anything that you want. In the middle, you can put up the title, and at the bottom, you want to put up your identity. Okay, dear professors, that's what the purpose. Now on the top, I'm going to just get my logo of my college. So I'm just making use of this. Look at here, I'm just making use of the things prepared already due to want of time. So I'm just putting my logo here. Look at here, I've just put my logo here. This is the college logo. And I'm just typing Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College. So I don't want this tint. I just copy only the text. Look at here, I just copy only the text. I don't want it. So I delete it, and here I just copy. Look at here, Department of Computer Science. I increase the size also. Look at it. And I just enter and type St. Joseph's College. Look at here, St. Joseph's College, Autonomous Tiruchirappalli. Autonomous Tiruchirappalli. Okay, right. You can even put it down and put the logo on the top here in the center also. That is also possible. Here I want to put the topic. So I go to insert and take the text box. Look at your text box and draw over it. Okay. E-content. See, model e-content. For example, screen capturing tools. Screen capturing tools and techniques. This is the title. This is the title. I want to create a e-content. Okay. So I put the title here. You can put in one line or two lines. That is up to you. Okay. Just put the title here. I want to create it in some other color. Okay. Some other nice color. Okay. I've given it and make it bold also. Look at here. So this is up to you, dear professors. It is up to you. Okay. To create your own. Right. Now I have given it. Now I have to give my identity here. I have to give my identity. Look at here. Okay. I want to make it a little more bigger. All these, you know. Okay. You can even search for some nice letter, nice fonts. Right. I have put it. Now at the bottom, I want to bring my photo and identity. Now what do? I have to insert my photo. I go to insert, picture, this device, and take my photograph. Look at here, I have my photo here. I insert it here. Right. I've got it here. I just put my photograph here. Right. Put it here. Here I have to give my identity. I go to insert, take up text box. Look at here. I just draw over it here and type my identity. Right. For example, Dr. A. Vimal Jerald, Assistant Professor. Now the letter is not seen for you. Now I make it visible with some other font. Professor, Department of Computer Science. Okay, right. I put it. Now I just make it full. St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. So likewise, you can get ready with your poster. Okay, now I have selected all the font and give the light font, light color. Look at here. I just increase the size. I have increased the size to a little bit. Okay, I've done it and put it at the bottom. Okay, dear professors, I've got it. Or if you want to put it here in the middle, you can put it. That's up to you. That is up to you, and make your own design. Now, how to convert this into a PowerPoint, a photograph or a poster? How to convert this? How to convert this into a poster? Go to File. Professors, please, those of you who have forgotten, go to File, press Save As, this PC, and I just make it PowerPoint, right? Instead of PowerPoint, I have to go make it JPEG, and select the folder where you want to go. See, I'm selecting Unam folder, background, or poster one, right? I put it. Now it asks me all the slide or this slide. Just I want only one. So this slide. So it is automatically done. So I go back, dear professors. Have you understood this process? Professors, have you understood this process of creating a poster? Have you all
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Have
sir.
you all, Dr. Muruganandam, you want to ask anything? Dr. Muruganandam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Dr. Muruganandam. Yes. Tell me, sir. You wanted to ask anything, sir? You have raised your hand. Okay, no problem. Okay, now look at there, sir. I go back to OBS. Now, my objective is to bring that poster here. How to bring that poster? See, I have scene number 1. In scene number 1, I have to bring that poster. There, here, the second window is source. So, in source window, I have to bring that poster. Okay, dear professors? In source window, I have to bring that poster. Look at here, I just click the plus symbol. And here you have got different sources. See, I can bring an audio. I can bring a browser into this. I can bring a color source, backdrop color. Let me just explain you all these, right? For example, let me tell you a few things, if not everything. See, color source. When I click color source, I can get the color and the background. Look at here. See, process, I just click this against scene number 1. I click on the sources, plus symbol is here. Click that. And there is a color source. Click on color source. Press OK. See, the color background is here. So I can have select color option and I can choose the color. Look at it. See, I can choose the color. Whatever color that I want, I can choose. For example, if I want some pink color, light pink color, look at that. See, I have created a pink color background. Okay, dear process. If you want to change the color, double click the color source again. See, look at here, double click and you can change the color again. If you want to make it, see here, I've changed the color. Okay, dear professors. Now, if you want to put up some text here, how will you put up some text here? The same thing. Look at your plus symbol and go to text. See here, text is here. Text. Click on the text and type, for example, University of RUSA. Sorry, University of Madras. Okay. Look at that. The text is too big, so I can edit the text. See here, I can adjust the text. See. Sorry. I can adjust the text, right? Keep it on the top. Okay, dear professors, if you want to keep some symbol here, image here at the bottom, you can do that. How do you do that? Click the plus symbol. Click the plus symbol and there is an option image. Look at your image. If you want to add an image, you can click that image and press OK. See, browse and get the image. I go to Unom folder and get an image. Look at your university file. Open. See, I got that image. The image is here. I just put it here and make the image bigger, right? Okay, dear professors, I got it. Am I clear to you? So in stage number 1, how many sources that I have brought? 3 sources. One is image, one is text, another one is the background color. If you want to add any more, you can add anything that you want more. For example, you want to add a video here, small video here. For example, yesterday we have done a video. You want to add it here, you can add it. Look at here. Click the plus symbol, media source. To add video, you have to bring media source. Click that media source, press OK and get the video. Browse and get the video. I just go to Unom folder. Look at here. This is the video that we have done yesterday, no? PPT video or day before yesterday. Click on that, press OK. You will get the video symbol here and you can reduce the size of the video. Look at here. You can put it here and the video will play here. It will go on. The video will play here. Okay, dear professors, see here, the video goes on one by one. Okay, dear professors, do you all understand? Right. So, scene number 1, I have created all these. When I go to scene number 2, do you have anything? Nothing is here because I didn't specify anything. See, I don't have any. And 3, I don't have anything. So, in scene number 1, how many sources that we have? A video. See, this is the video. This is the video. An image. This is the image that we have clicked. And third one, text. See, this is the text. And color source, see, violet color we have chosen. So have you understood, dear professors, up to this? Yeah, I go bit by bit so that I want everyone to ensure your learning.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Professors, any clarification you can ask.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir, please.
Actually, sir, in case of text, 2 text can be updated now in the source, no?
Yes, definitely. Any number. I tell you, look at here. You want to put one more line. You can put any number of lines, sir. For example, look at here. I just put it here, University of Madras. So I just remove this picture. See, when I click delete, it removes. So I just put one video here. I want to put another video also. See, I put one video here. Can I put another video? Yes, you can put another video. Click the plus symbol. So what should I choose to place video here? What should I place to choose video? What source?
Media source.
Media source. Click here. Click OK and browse. Get another video. Look at here. I'm just choosing this video. See here. And reduce the size. You can even place three videos, no problem. For example, you want to put one more text here at the bottom. You can very well put, so click the plus symbol, click the text, see text, click that and press OK and type here, Chennai, RUSA 2.0 Entrepreneurship Hub. Okay, or simply I just stop with RUSA because of time. Look at here. If you want to put one more line of text, you can put, or you can even continuously, in one text, you can have continuously different lines of text. You can do that. Okay, dear professors? Have you understood, dear professors? Now you see two windows of videos disappeared. You know why? You know why they are disappeared? Because, see, I just click the media source. I have to click loop. When I give loop means continuously it plays. Otherwise, it finishes and disappears. So when I want to play continuously, I give loop, which means it appears again and again, it plays. And media source 1, click loop, it continuously plays again and again. Look at here, even after finishing, it continuously plays. Have you understood, sir? Sir, have you understood? Sir,
Yes,
have you
sir,
understood?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any other queries? Any other queries? Suppose I want to play the video one by one. Now, one by one means, see, sir, you have to go for some other scene. You have to go for some other scene. Okay, you have to go for some other scene, or you have to make some arrangements there. So right now you don't get confused. You put another, for example, scene number 2. Go to scene number 2. Okay. In a single scene, that's what, sir. In a single scene, put that same, for example, look at here. See, please understand. Once after this, for example, click media source. So when you want to play, restart playback, use hardware, look at here. Choose file when inactive. So you can choose that. You can even see here, you can even play partial or auto, all these are there. So see, I'm not taking up the entire thing because otherwise you'll be getting confused. You'll be getting confused. So without confusion, if you want to play one by one, you can just keep it in one slide, for example. I'm sorry. Keep this. See, I just delete this. You click here. Finish this. And go to the second scene, have the same thing and click the second video. So you can make any number of scenes. There you place the video. Okay, dear professors, not in one window. See, one window, it plays simultaneously. Okay, dear professors. Any other clarification? Okay, let me go ahead. Now, our idea is to bring the poster in the first window. Second window, I am going to appear in camera. And third window, I'm going to bring my PPT. I'm going to record that. This is my plan. So how should I do that? I'm going to show you now. Let me delete everything. Look at here in scene number 1, I'm going to delete everything. See, I'm deleting everything. How to delete? Press and click delete button. Okay. Click and press delete button. Click and press delete button. It will be deleted. Okay. Everything is empty. Now I'm going to bring that poster. So what should I do now? I'm in scene number 1. I want to go to that poster. So what should I do? I have plus then the source plus symbol. And what should I add here? Tell me. Somebody can use the mic because I'm not reading the chat. Which one? Which one should I press?
Image.
Yes, click on image and browse. Look at here, browse. Click browse. And where do I have that image which I have created? Look at here in folder. Yes, I have created. Click poster and it appears. Look at there. It has appeared and make it full screen. Right, exactly. The first scene is ready. And whenever this appears only for 2 seconds, please understand this appears only for 2 seconds. Okay, and I go to the second scene. Second scene, I want to appear in camera. Please understand, I want to appear in camera. Professors, please understand, I want to appear in camera. So what do? I click the plus symbol and go to video capture. Look at your professors, video capture. I click on video capture and now I have to switch off my Zoom window. Sorry, my video camera here, right? I'm going to switch off here in Google Meet. I'm stopping my camera. I come back to OBS. Now, click the plus symbol. Second, I am in the first stage now. I go to the second stage. Second stage, how it moves, up and down transition. I will tell you about transition later. Now in second scene, I want to bring my camera. Click that plus symbol, and for bringing the camera into source, video capture device. Click on that. Click on that. Please make note of it. Video capture device. Click and press OK. Now, dear professors, what happens? Look at here. I am appearing in a green screen. Why I have put green screen? I can remove this and have only my picture, right? I can have only this and remove all these. Okay, dear professors. Now my purpose is to remove the background. Look at here. I have to remove this background. How do I remove this background? Please carefully note it. I have brought my camera. I want to remove this green color. Okay, I want to remove this green color. Okay, dear professors. Before that, I want to put up a studio setup. So where do I bring the studio setup? I have downloaded some studio setup already. So I'm going to bring that video there. Okay, dear professors. Now let me keep this video small in one corner. Look at here, I'm keeping it in one corner. Okay, dear professors. Now I'm going to bring a video. So what should I choose to bring a video? Tell me. See, I'm clicking the plus symbol. I'm in scene number 2. I have added one source video camera. Second one, I am going to add a video background, studio background. So I click the plus symbol, and what should I add? Can someone tell me? Can someone tell me what should I add to bring a video?
Media source.
Media source. Click on the media source, press OK, and please press loop. Don't forget to press loop. Otherwise, it will not play. Continuously, it should play, right? Please press loop. Click the browse symbol, browse. And I'm going to bring a logo of this. Look at here, university logo, right? University. This is a video that we have done, no? See, this is the video I brought. Press OK. Look at your process. This setup, studio setup. Studio setup, I have brought it. Now I am hidden. How to bring it front? Look at here, my camera is here. How to bring it front? Click the camera and right click it and order. Move top. Please make note of it. Click the video capture device, move top. So I appear here. Now I want to remove the green color and have only my video. So how do I remove that? I just click the video capture and go for properties. Look at your process. Go for properties. Okay. See here, filters. Filters is here. Look at your process. Filters. Filters is here. Click on the filters and this window appears. Here, I will have to choose at the bottom. Look at here, effect filters. Process, once again, I tell you, I'm clicking video capture and see this filter is here. Click on the filter. When I click on the filter, you have effect filters. Come down, you have the plus symbol. Click that. Please make note of it, dear process. Click that filter option. Immediately after filter, go to chroma key. Look at here. Chroma key is the option to remove the background. Remove the background. Why do I have the green color? Because green color that fits for removal. So use green color. This screen costs about 400 rupees. Fix it. Stand costs about 500. If you want a stand, you can put it in a stand and it appears in green color. Now I appear chroma key. Press OK. Now look at there. Look at there. Automatically, my background is removed. Okay, dear professors, my background is removed automatically. I close. Look at there. See, my window, my video is not very clear. So what do? I go little adjustments. Where do I go for little adjustments? Click the filter. Look at here. Click the filter. Click the chroma key and adjust it. Adjust it slight. Look at here. I'm just adjusting. Okay, I'm just adjusting. Right. Now look at there. See, my face is okay right now. See? Okay, I'm okay with it. Okay, dear professors, if you want to adjust little more, once again go to filter and click chroma key. You see, I'm clicking chroma key and adjust it. Adjust it little bit, slightly adjust it. Look at here, I'm just increasing contrast. Okay, 1.25. I'm increasing little bit contrast. Okay, I'm just giving contrast to this. Right, fine. See, if you want to adjust at the bottom, see, you can adjust brightness also. If you want to adjust the brightness, you can adjust the brightness. Okay, at the bottom you have gamma. You adjust little bit. Everything that brings about some changes. See, this needs technical thing. So I'm not. You adjust little bit, you'll be able to make it. You adjust a bit, slightly you adjust, you'll be able to get your full figure. Look at here. I'm just getting my full figure. This is okay. I'm okay with this. Okay, dear professors. Now I'm not comfortable. Look at here. My bottom is not visible. I'm not very comfortable. Look at there. I'm not very comfortable. So I just move and I sit here. Okay, I just sit here. Okay, right, fine. Now here, even still, it's not that good. Okay, I go back, click chroma key and adjust a bit. Adjust a bit. Right. I've adjusted a bit. Right. I can adjust slightly this. Okay. Right. Okay, dear professors. Okay, see, smoothly, you have to do it a little bit professionally. Click here and adjust it. Adjust slightly. Adjust slightly. If you want to have exact thing that you wanted to have, I'll just give you. Okay. Right. Okay. This is okay. This good looks better. Now I am appearing simply with a box. It doesn't look good. So I want a table. I want a table near me. I want a news reading table like. So what should I do? I go to Google. Please understand. I go to Google. Professors, please understand. I go to Google and type news reading table. News reading table. Look at your news reading table. Okay, professors. So whatever that you like very much, you can choose. Okay, professors, you can choose this or this. So I just choose this video. You click here, you get this news reading table. You can even think of this. See, this is better, no? This news reading table. You can even choose anything. So for example, you can also put this. You want to put this? You want to put this or this? So I just wanted to put this or this one. See here, this one or this one. So I just choose this table or this table. So let me choose this table first. So now what do? I just go to, as an image, I just right click, save image first of all. Save this image. I just save it in university folder. Oh, sorry, this is not an image file. I'm sorry. Okay, let me take up some other image. Let me imagine that. No. See, I'll have to get the image file. If you don't get an image file, that doesn't work. So you have to go to some other table and click image files, right? I just use this one. Right click, save images. Only JPG file will be better. JPG file will be better, right? Image table, JPG file. Look at this. Right, I've got this. Right, shall I choose this one? Okay, this one. I'm taking this one. I'm taking up this table. Okay, let me take up this table, right? Right click and save images. Save images. So I go to university folder and save this. I've saved it. Now here, see the background is here. How to remove the background? Can someone tell me what is the option to remove the background? I go to remove PG and remove the background. Okay, I go to remove PG and remove the background. Look at here, remove PG. Upload, go to university folder. This is the table I have chosen, no? Yeah, this is the table. Open, see? Now I'm just removing. Which one you want, which table you want? I would like to take up this table. So other table I'm just deleting. Click edit and delete here. Delete here itself. Okay, erase. I just choose erase button. Look at here. I'm just erasing all these. I'm just erasing all these. Okay, right. Only one table I want. I'm just erasing. Okay, dear professors, you can increase the brush size and erase it quickly. So it needs time. You'll have to wait patiently, right? I have done it. Now what should I do? I just click and download image. So I have downloaded the table. Okay, removing the background. Now I go to this OBS and bring this table here. How do I bring it? How should I bring it? What should I do? Click the plus symbol and go to image. Click OK and browse. Go to downloads folder. So it will be in downloads folder. Look at here. The table is here. So I just click the table and press OK. Look at there. The table looks very small. So what do? I just make the table a little more bigger and put me there in front of me. Look at there, dear professors. Do I look professional? Look professional. Look at here. I click that. Keep the table here. Does it look professional? Look at there. I can adjust my, see, I just click my video and I can adjust my video. See, I can adjust my video. Am I clear to you, dear professors? Hello. See, am I clear to you? See, I have put the video. Now I want to put a computer. Shall I bring a computer? Yes, I can do that. I go back to Google, laptop. Okay, put the laptop. So it's a laptop for news reading. You can put a laptop for news reading as landing question. So I just wanted to take this one. Okay, I'm just taking this laptop. Right click, save image. So I'm just saving it in university folder. I go to remove PG and I'm just uploading that. Look at here. I'm just uploading a picture, removing the background from the laptop also. Look at here. Removing the laptop background. Look at there. I have removed the laptop background. So I want to erase. See, some part is left over here. So edit and erase is here. Eraser is here. Erase. Click eraser and erase this at the bottom. Okay, I have erased it. Okay, I have erased it. Okay, done. Now click download. It is automatically downloaded. The image is downloaded. I go back to OBS and go to plus symbol and bring one more image. And press OK, browse, and it is in the downloads. It is in the download. Look at here. It is in the downloads folder. So I just click here and open. See here. It is there on the top. So I just keep it here. Yeah. Okay. If it is not fitting, don't keep it. Okay. If it is not fitting, you need not keep it, right? I've just kept that. See, this doesn't suit exactly, but you can keep it as you like. For example, see, I'm just working with computer. Like, look at here, like this. Okay, dear professors, I've kept a table and fit. You have to keep it nicely. This doesn't look good. This laptop doesn't look good right now with this. So you'll have to make use of nice ones, or you can make it a little more small and keep it here. Now it's okay. Now if I want to work, see, I just look at here. All these things are empty. Okay, news reading, this is done like this only. Okay, now I have a setup right now. Okay, dear professors, I have a setup right now. Everything is done. Okay, professors. Now I go for the third window. Go to the third window. Here I want to bring my PowerPoint. Professors, please understand, I want to bring my PowerPoint. So how should I bring my PowerPoint or any window? Click the plus symbol. Look at here. Click the plus symbol and go for window capture. Professors, please understand, window capture. Click window capture. When I click window capture, press OK. Whatever comes in the window that appears here. Look at here. My window is now right now with this PowerPoint. Now what do? I want to open a PowerPoint. Look at here. This PowerPoint. Okay. This PowerPoint. I want to bring. Okay. This PowerPoint. I want to bring it. I go to OBS and click the source. Click the Windows capture and click the source. Look at here. And choose the PowerPoint. Look at here. Choose the PowerPoint. Select the source. Select the source, which window you want to bring in. So I'm just choosing the PowerPoint one by one. Okay, let me otherwise get confused. Okay, I'm just having this. Yes. 1 minute, dear professors. I'm just removing all these PowerPoint because I'll be confused. That is why I'm just worried about all these, right? Let's see, so many PowerPoints are here. So I just go back, close all these PowerPoint and have only one PowerPoint, right? I'm just making down this window down and I go remove all the extra windows. I'm just closing down this window. I go back and close down this. Yeah, let this window be there. I'm closing down this window and I'm closing down all these windows. Look at here. I'm closing down. Don't worry about all these. Okay, I'm closing extra windows. I have so many windows here. I'm just closing down all these windows. Sorry, professors, 1 minute. Kindly hold on for a moment. I'm closing extra unwanted windows so that all of them will be there. Right. I just double click and click here and go for screen capturing. Look at there. PowerPoint screen capturing. Look at here, professors. Yes. PowerPoint is here. Now I go back to PowerPoint. Close down. Go back to PowerPoint, process 1 minute. Yes. Now I just make it full window. So I made it full window. I go back to OBS right now and let me just choose the full window. Look at there. So the full window is trying to appear. Right, 1 minute. Let me just make it appear in full window. Yes. Right. I get it in full window. Look at here. I got it in full window. Choose the full window. So all the window will be there. You choose the window which you want. Okay. Right. Now my scheme is to, the first screen will be there for 2 seconds in the e-content. And I go to this. So I just wish my good evening, dear learners. I'm going to give you a presentation on screen capturing. Let me now explore you with screen capturing. So I just go to, see, look at here. I just go to my PowerPoint. I just click this scene number 3. So now I go to the PowerPoint one by one and the PowerPoint will be recorded. Okay, dear professors, look at there. Now second window will be there. I mean the third window, PowerPoint will go on. Once after I complete my PowerPoint, I go to second scene and say, dear learners, so far we have explored the basics of screen capturing. See you all in the next module. Thank you. So like this, you'll have to win. You'll have to fight. You'll have to finish. Have you all understood? The first scene, a poster on your title of the e-content and your designation and who is giving and all that. Second one, this is prepared in PowerPoint. And the second one, you appear in camera and speak to the learners, introduce the topic. And the third scene, go to the PowerPoint or go to some other window, explain, then appear, go back to scene number 2 and give a fine note. That's all. This is the plan. Do you all understand the flow, dear professors? Professors, I just wanted to clarify. Do you all understand the flow right now? Do you all understand the flow, dear professors? Thank you for your compliments. I'm reading only, right. Do you all understand the flow? Sir, can you please repeat making on camera? Which color is preferable, Bob? Green. Only right now I'm reading all your chat. I'm sorry. Right now only I'm reading all your chat. Can you please come back if you have any clarification? Otherwise, we'll move on. Can you come back? Any clarification? So that I can move on for recording. I can give you demo on recording, dear professors. Professors, any clarification? Have you all understood so far whatever that I have dealt? No clarification. Shall I move on?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Professor?
Sir, I have one small doubt actually.
Yeah.
I'm unable to understand how you remove the background in the video. Like when we add the video as the background, and the screen also appears with us. How to bring it in front? That part alone, you please repeat, sir.
Yeah. See, professors, please every now and then, once if you don't understand, please stop me at any time. Okay, no problem. I'll make it once again. Only green background. Yeah. Green background alone fits well, sir. Other colors will be okay, but green is the fitting color. Even in many cinema industry, look at there, I'll show you. Okay. See, look at here. Only in cinema, see, even in cinema industry, they use only green. Green screen removal. Okay, removal or video. Look at there. Look at there how they take films. All they use only green. Look at here, green screen movies. See, for example, you think that the hero is jumping from a mountain. No, it's not jumping from the mountain. Look at there. See here. They all do that. See, look at here. All the green color can be removed. So once they remove the green color, look at this picture. Look at this picture. See, they put some other background. See, look at this picture. See, it is in the green. Now look at there. They put the picture. Do you understand now? See, here only green fits. Okay, dear professors, only green color fits. Am I clear to you? Look at there. See, the lady stands here in green. Removing the green, they put some other background. Okay, dear professors, have you all understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, let me tell you at any time restriction. No time restriction, professor. Completely a free tool. Completely a free tool. No restriction with anything. You can add any number of sources. Green will be better. Green is better. So let me repeat the second step again so that you can all understand better. Professors, I didn't do anything. Look at here. I'm just deleting everything. See number 2, everything I delete and do it again. Look at there. I just delete it. I just delete everything. I delete. See here. I delete everything. Okay, dear professors. I'm deleting everything. I am empty. Now, please understand, I have a studio setup. I want to bring a studio setup. Yesterday we have done a video. Yesterday we have done a video with studio setup. How to bring that? It is a video. So I should use plus symbol and click media source. Media source. Click OK. Browse. Look at your browse. Browse. Click browse and go to university folder. Yesterday we have done this video background. Yes or no? We have done it using PowerPoint only. Click that. Open. So it is here. So I put it here. Now I want to bring a table. First of all, I want to bring a table. There I want to appear. I want to bring a table. There I want to appear. I want to bring a table. There I want to appear. Now click the plus symbol and click image. Look at here. I'm going to bring a table. So bringing a table, what have I done? I have already selected table from Google, remove the background, and I have the table with me. So I just click image. Okay, browse the image. Look at here. Go to downloads folder. I have the table here. Look at here. I have the table. So I bring the table. Press OK. The table is here. I want to make it little more bigger. Look at here. I just make the table little more bigger. Okay, I just keep it here. I just put the table here. Make it little more bigger. Right. I put it here. Now in the table, in front of table, I have to appear in camera. No. So to appear in camera, click the plus symbol and click video capture device. Click video capture device and press OK. I appear in camera. Look at there. I am appearing in camera. Press OK. Now I am appearing with the green color. In order to remove that green color, I have to apply a filter. That is chroma key. Okay. I just press OK. Now look at there. I'm visible fully. So I just reduce it. Look at here. I'm just reducing the size. Keep it here. Now I have the green color. So the green color have to be removed. So what should I do to remove the green color? Very simple. Now what do? I just click the filter. Look at here. Click the filter. Automatically I add effect filter at the bottom. Click the plus symbol and select chroma key. Select chroma key. Look at here. Press OK. Now the green is removed. Okay, dear professors. Now you'll have to adjust. You press OK. Now you'll have to see here, my hair is not that great. So what do? I just adjust. Click the filters again. Click chroma key, double click and adjust. See, I'm just adjusting. Slightly, I'm just adjusting. Slightly, I'm adjusting. Okay. Right. Now slightly, I'm just adjusting and making it perfect. Yes. See here, I'm just making it. And I'm just making everything perfect. Right. Here, I'm just making contrast. See here, I'm adding contrast so that I can look a little better. If you want to add brightness, you can add brightness too. If you want to add. And gamma, you can add gamma if you want. Adjust it and see. Adjust it and see. Okay. Close it. Now I appear. Now this looks okay. Okay. You can increase or decrease. See, you can increase or decrease. Now this is okay. I am sitting in front of the table. Now I want a computer. So I want a computer. I just want a computer to be put here. So what do? I click the plus symbol, image, click OK, browse, and see, this is the laptop that we have clicked already. So I'm just using, see, I would like to use this laptop. Okay, I just click here and put it here. Okay, dear professor, press OK. See, the laptop is here. So I just put it here and make it little more small. So as if it is kept in the table. Okay, the laptop is kept in the table in front of you to read the news. Now what do? For reading news, I just go something I can handle. Right? That's a show. It is not a real, computer or laptop. It is only an image. Just we are creating a virtual stage and so on. The news reading takes place like this only. Now you want to add some text here. For example, you want to add your name here. You can add. How do you add? How do you add your name? You can make use of text. Click the plus symbol. Text is here. Click the text and press OK and type here Dr. A. Vimal Jerald. A. Vimal Jerald. Okay, I have added. Look at here. The text is too big, so I make it small. Bring it down. I make it small. Look at here. I just make it small. Drag, make it small, and put it here. Okay, put it here in a small letter. Right. It looks beautiful. Okay, dear professors. See, I put the text. If you want to make it a little more smaller, you can make it a little more smaller and put it here. in the center. Now it looks little more better. Okay, dear professors, have you all understood this stage arrangement, scene arrangement? Have you all understood this scene arrangement? Have you all understood? Any clarification? Please ask me any clarification.
Sir, one more clarification. Maybe. Like when we see the key color type by adding the chroma key, we see prominently green, blue, magenta. And
Professor, I couldn't get you. Could you please increase your volume?
Yeah, one second.
Yeah. Please speak louder.
When we add the chroma key, sir,
Yeah.
in the key color type, there are only 4 colors appear. So prominently, you prefer us to use green color. So what about the custom? Sir, suppose if I am recording in the room environment, will I be able to remove that background or?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. You are right. You are right. See, there are other colors too. See, there are 4 colors: green, blue, and things. See, better color is suggested is green. The best color. Best color you can remove is green. The other color is also given, but the result will not be that good. Okay, the result will not be good. Do you understand? Other colors can also get removed. You can even go for custom color. For example, instead of this green color, you can have some red color. You try to remove that, but the result won't be that great. Okay,
green is always preferable.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, sir.
And Dr. Regis has asked how to put green screens or any green shell or cloth. Cloth. See, go to Amazon or something or some. Sorry, I'm not recommending. I'm not supposed to do any recommendation here, but do you understand? I'm just giving. Look at it. Go to Amazon or any shopping, online shops. You can go green screen. You can get it. Look at here, green screen, just for 300 rupees. Look at here. With stand, so you get this for see. Okay, dear professors, according to your need, you can get it. For example, look at this video. Look at this video. Interesting. This girl talks in a room, but you get an effect like if you are see here, as if she is in a snow world. Okay, dear professors, see how they are preparing. Okay, dear professor, look at here. That boy is shot in a green place, but see, they have put up, as if he is walking in the beach. Do you all understand, dear professors? Right now, do you all understand?
Yes, sir.
Can we scroll the text? Dr. Nanjappa, what is your query? Can we scroll the text means what? Where do you want to scroll the text, sir? I don't get you, sir. Oh, you want to scroll the text? Yes, you can do that.
Sir, actually, yes. Sir, sorry to disturb you, sir.
Yeah.
I have fixed your name, sir. Is it possible for scrolling your name from left to right?
Yes, yes. Look at the filter.
Actually, you are sitting like a news reading room, sir. That's why I asked it.
Yeah. See, sir. Please understand. Even in OBS, we can have a workshop for 1 week. OBS is an ocean. We are covering it 1.5 hours. You can do anything. See, all has filters. As Sir asked, you can even make a move of this. Okay. If you want to make this scroll, you do it in the PowerPoint itself. See, the scrolling can be done with the PowerPoint. Right? After some time, see this letter will have animation. If you want to scroll, look at your properties, filters. Click on the filters. Click and look at there. You will find scroll option. See, sir? Scroll. Click scroll and press OK. Where do you want to scroll? Look at here. Horizontal speed or vertical scroll. It asks you horizontally or vertically. So I just want, see here, I just want reduce the speed. Look at here, close. Now look at there, sir. It's scrolling. Are you getting it?
Fantastic, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. Fantastic.
So right now, I don't want scroll because it doesn't look good. So I'm not scrolling. So I just stopping it. You see, every arrangement has its own features, extra features. But within short time, so we'll be able to cover the minimum. If you want to explore more, we'll go ahead with maybe another workshop or something. Okay, professors. Right now, let me go ahead with recording. Right, the Vimal Jerald is going on still. See, look at it, it comes back. You can even have. I'm stopping this. Okay, look at it. I'm just stopping because this has some more details to be given. So I'm just stopping. I don't want it. I'm removing it. How to remove that? You have to double click it. See, double click it and click that default. Click default. It will be okay. See, it will come back default. So everything is ready. Now the first scene is with poster And the second scene, I appear in camera, in the studio. And in the third scene, I want to bring my PowerPoint. Okay, dear professors, do you all understand the concept now? Do you all understand the concept now? Shall I go for recording?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
the recording is here. Yeah. See, this is all, simple steps, dear professors. Please understand. Very simple steps, but beautiful and professional e-content making with the simple steps that are available. When you go to market or when you go to professional people, they will charge us like anything. These are all, professional techniques that we, through this workshop, I'm able to give you. Thanks to University of Madras. Right. Now come back. Now, dear professors, look at these three parts. This is about sound. For example, see mic sound. Speak and test whether your mic is working. And this is media source. If you have any voice or any source in the media, for example, I have brought a video that has a music. Please understand that has a music. But I want only to play in the background. I don't want that music to be played. So what should I do? I have to click here, come here, stop it. Look at here. So media source will not play. Look at here. Though the video is here, that will not play. Though the video has sound, that will not play. Okay, dear professors? So I'm closing it. And if you want to use the mouse sound and click sound don't want, you can close this also. Okay, right now my mic is working. If you don't want your mic, only the video sound, you can close this also. Okay, dear professors, look at there. You can close this also. Okay, professors? Right. Now I want only my mic to be used. All the other sounds, I stop it. And from one scene to the other scene, look at here the transition. Look at the transition. Are you able to understand the transition? See here, the transition goes like this. If you want to have some other transition, for example, I'm in scene number 2 now. If you want to switch over to some other scene, look at here. This is, see here, this, see, cut. See, sudden cut, sudden change. See, the transition can be checked here. And fade. Next transition is fade. See here. Slowly overcomes. Fades. See here. Okay, dear professors, look at there. Look at the transition. And third scene, look at that. Beautiful, no? And the third transition, swipe. See, this is where completely it goes. Look at here, swipe. Okay, professors? One scene to the other scene. And other scene is fade to color. Look at there. I just click here. See here. See here. See here. Okay, dear professors, this is fade to color. And so many other, this is Luma wipe. Luma wipe means the scene that we have done already. Okay, dear professors, I like this fade. Look at here, fade. The next scene appears. The next scene appears. We all understand? We all understand about transition, dear professors. Transition can be done here. Professors, have you all understood about transition?
Yes.
Right. Dr. Subodh is asking beautiful one camera. Yeah. See, you can have any number of camera. For example, professor, please understand, you can also have camera. Can we change transition for individual slides? No. Professors, please understand, slide is different. Slide is different. Slide is some other application. Here we are making use of the slide. If you want to make transition for every slide, do it in PowerPoint itself. See, I go to PowerPoint. Look at there. If I want to have transition, I go to transition in PowerPoint. Just do it here itself. Now look at there. You can make the transition for every slide individually. See, all these are transition for slide. But I'm not talking about this transition. We are doing transition in OBS. Okay, dear professors. I'm talking about one scene to the other scene. I'm talking about one scene to the other scene. Professor Ramalakshmi, what do you want me to explain, Professor Ramalakshmi? Professor Ramalakshmi, what do you want me to explain, Professor? Because I will have to complete the recording. Right now, I have showed you setup. Now, what do you want me to explain? Can you come in the mic? Can you come in the mic? Transition. Okay, I just explained. Now, professors, look at here. Look at the transition is here. The transition is here. Click here. You will find transition which you like very much. Look at here. Swipe is here. When I click here, see? Scene by scene. When I click the second scene, it goes to the second scene. When I click the third scene comes. So look at here. I have to click it manually. Click the scenes. Choose the scenes. And the scene appears. And for transition, you will have to choose the transition whichever you like very much. See here, there are different transitions available. So I choose fade. When I click now, look at there. This is fade transition. Okay? Doctor, have you understood? Have you understood, Dr. Ramalakshmi? Okay, now I suppose she understood. Now I'm just moving on to recording and going for the recording of the same. Okay, I'm going to make e-content. Now, in the third presentation, I want to bring my video in the corner, one corner. Right now, I have my only window capture. No, I want to bring my video. If you have two camera, for example, I am connecting with two cameras right now. So if you have two camera, you can use it. Otherwise, you cannot use the same camera in two scenes. If you have more than two cameras, you can connect it to the laptop and use it here. Now I have two cameras. Now I just go to plus symbol here, source. Now what do I do? Video capture. Click here and choose which video. Now I'm going for this video. Okay, look at there, this video. So I just press OK and put it there. Look at there. I'm going to make it appearing in the bottom or appearing on the top. Okay, dear professor, let me appear in the bottom. Now, how to remove the background? How to remove the background? Click the properties. Click this plus symbol. Apply chroma key. Okay. Then that's all. It will remove the background. Now, look at there. I'm not that great, so I'll have to adjust a little bit. So we'll be spending a lot of time here itself. So I'm just making it a little more faster so that I can make it. Yeah. Look at there, professors. I'm appearing in the PowerPoint. Okay, professors. I have two camera. One camera is used in second scene, scene number 2. See, the camera here is different. The camera here is different, and the camera third scene is different. Okay, at the bottom. Right, I'm going to start recording. How to record this? Look at here. Start recording option is here in the control palette. When I click start recording, my recording begins. So I keep the first poster, first scene for 2-3 seconds, and I appear in second scene. I introduce the topic and go for the third scene. I start my lecture. Okay, dear professors? Okay, dear professors. For third scene, I'll have to switch over to PowerPoint, and from PowerPoint, I'll explain. Let me shortly explain to you. After explaining the PowerPoint, then I'll have to switch over to scene number 2 and give the end note to the students. Okay, dear professors, I'm going to start. So where do I click for recording? Look at there at the bottom in the control panel, start recording. Click start recording. When I click start recording, the recording begins. Okay, dear professors, I would like to increase the size a little bit. Yeah, light. Now look at there, I'm going to start recording, dear professors. See, I'm going to demonstrate right now. I click start recording. Please see here. See, after start recording, you have option to pause also. You have option to pause. You have option to stop. Okay, right, I'm going to start. Greetings, dear learners. This is Dr. A. Vimal Jerald from the Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. I'm going to give you a presentation on screen capturing. Let me now give you a presentation on screen capturing. What do you mean by screen capturing? Screen capturing is capturing the screen with narrations. It also highlights mouse pointer. You know, wherever you move the cursor is highlighted with a yellow round. And it is the best for demonstrations. Now, dear learners, how do you record your screen? Be ready with the content in full screen. Content or demo. It can be a PowerPoint, it can be a browser, it can be a compiler, or any window. Record the screen with your voiceover. And third, edit the capture, and finally, you render as the content. So, dear learners, so far I have told you about the fundamentals of screen capturing. In the next module, we will deal with the various tools available for screen capturing. So right now, I want to give you some work. So go browse and find out screen capturing tools. That is the work that I wanted to give you for this module. Thank you. See you with the next module. So professors, I have completed now. What should I do? I have to stop it. Look at here in the control, stop. So I have stopped the video. I have stopped recording. Now how to get the file? How to get the file? Go to file. Look at your process. Go to file. Show recording. Look at here. Show recording. Please make note of it. Go to file. Show recording. And in show recording, you will find your file here with your name. See with the date. So many. See here. My file is here. So what do? I just put my file and show it to you in the browser right now. 1 minute. Let me show you the file and put it in the browser and play it for you. Process, I'm going to play this file for you. How we have done so far recording. I'm just going to show you. Let me stop the screen. The professor switching over to the PowerPoint, Alt tab. Alt tab. You have to switch over to the PowerPoint in using Alt tab. You will have to switch over to PowerPoint in Alt tab. Okay, dear professors. Right now, I'm going to stop my screen here. Let me just go back. Share the screen. This is the video that we have done, dear professors. Yes, is my screen visible, sir? Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Look at there. See, 2 seconds that appeared. Professor, please understand. This. See, 2 seconds that window, the front poster is appearing, and immediately after that, I go for my lecturing, right? My introduction. Okay, dear professors. One minute, dear professors. 1 minute. I have stopped the 1 minute. Let me increase the volume. Yes. Now just see this. Is it audible? Greetings, dear learners.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes.
Dr. A. Vimal Jerald from the Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. I'm going to give you a presentation on screen capturing. Let me now give you a presentation on screen capturing. See, immediately I looked into PowerPoint. What do you mean by screen capturing? See, I switch over to PowerPoint. Screen capturing is capturing the screen with narrations. It also highlights mouse pointer. You know, wherever you move the cursor is highlighted with a yellow round. And it is the best for demonstrations. Now, dear learners, how do you record your screen? Be ready with the content in full screen. Content or demo. It can be a PowerPoint, it can be a browser, it can be a compiler, or any window. Record the screen with your voiceover. Are you all seeing it, dear professors? Edit the capture, and finally, you render as the content.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So immediately after switching over to the PowerPoint, see, I have told you about the fundamentals of screen capturing. In the next module, we will deal with the various tools available for screen capturing. So right now, I want to give you some work. So go browse and find out screen capturing tools. That is the work that I wanted to give you for this module. Thank you. Okay, dear professors, this is not your. Please understand, this is not the work given to you. Just a model I have shown you how to create the presentation. I mean, e-content. Now, professors, few queries can be taken. Right now, I am completing the demo for the day. So far, I have told you how to. Let me just open. So far, I have told you how to create the scenes, how to add the source, and how to set up studio setup, and how to give the poster at the beginning, and how to appear in camera and talk to the learners, and go to the third window and just deal with the presentation or demo, come back to the window, just talk to them with the end note. This is how you create a sequence of e-content. In any window or any scene, you can add any number of camera, you can add any number of text, you can make them scroll, you can do anything that you want. So with the limited demonstration that I have given, you can create beautiful videos, screen recording, using the screen recording. You can create a beautiful video and please have a hands-on. Tomorrow, dear professors, with the same tool, I'm going to tell you how to live stream, how to make the content taken to the students. So far on the 4 days, we have explored how to create e-content. Now tomorrow, it is going to be, we have loads of content. We have a good number of resources. How to take it to the students, how to disseminate to the students, how to take that video to YouTube, and how to disseminate it to your students. Now, you know, videos will consume a lot of space. Videos will consume a lot of space. Professors, please understand, videos will consume a lot of space. So instead of using a lot of space, you know, we can put it in YouTube and share only the link. Okay, so that when you share it doesn't go with the space, right? Only the link goes and the students are able to watch. And YouTube has no limit. You can load any number of any number of videos. So tomorrow is going to be dissemination of your content through YouTube. There I'm going to give you a demonstration how to do a live streaming using YouTube. Okay, dear professors, it will be very useful. If you are conducting a seminar, if you are conducting a webinar using OBS, you'll be able to live stream thousands of, we can connect thousands of learners or common general public. Okay, dear professors. Now, if you want to have clarification, you're welcome to make. Yes, thank you.
Sir, good evening, sir. I'm
Thank you,
Shanmugar
sir.
from
Thank you
Pune
so
College.
much. Your
Can
video
you
is
please
not visible.
explain again about that project which is given to us, sir? That is activity.
No, I have not given anything, sir. I have not given anything. See, that was part of the model. I just explained. See, please understand, don't mistake me. There, I told you just how to record.
Dr. Vimal, I think,
Yes, doctor.
Dr. Vimal, I think your video is not on. You can switch on your video.
I'm
Yeah,
in the
now-
video.
Now okay. Now okay, ma'am.
I'm
Now
in the
okay.
video now. I'm in the video. Am I not in
Now
the
okay,
video?
ma'am.
Yes, thank you, madam. Who asked the query? Yeah, I'm coming to you, sir. Sir, I told you how to create a module. See, MOOC asks for 4 component module, which means whenever in the video itself, you'll have to give them some work, assignment. That is the style I just showed you, how to create your video. And with the same video, when you end the video, you appear and give them some work. That is the model I showed you. So it's not for you, but as a common, professor will tell you, I told you at the beginning of the today's session, you will have to create the e-content and submit it to get a certificate. You can use any of these tools demonstrated. You can take up time given by the organizers. Organizers will inform you. So all of us will create a video and submit it to the organizers and get the certificate. That is the purpose. You can create your own way of your e-content. You can choose the topic and create your video with any tool demonstrated. Yes, any clarification? Dr. Bhuma Devi, you have raised.
Thank you, sir. That is I answered. I asked a question to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Velu. Thank you. Dr. Bhuma Devi, you want to ask anything? I think you have raised your hand.
பங்கேற்பாளர்களுக்கு ஒரு அறிவிப்பு நான் நாளைக்கு சொல்லலாம்னு பார்த்தேன். இன்னைக்கு நீங்க எல்லாரும் கேட்டதுனால சொல்றேன். ஏன்னா நார்மலா சார் சொன்னாங்க நம்ம கொரோனானால டெய்லி இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நடந்த எப்படி இல்ல டெய்லி ஒவ்வொரு அசஸ்மெண்ட் வாங்குவோம், நம்ம வாங்கி அதை கன்சால்டேட்டட் பண்ணி எக்ஸாம் வச்சு அந்த மாதிரி உள்ளதான் பண்ணுவோம். இப்ப எல்லாமே நம்ம ரெகுலர் லைஃப்க்கு வந்ததுனால ஒரே ஒரு அசஸ்மெண்ட் நம்ம வாங்கினா போதும் அப்படிங்கிறத வச்சிருக்கிறோம். இந்த 5 நாள் நடந்ததுல நிறைய நம்ம டெக்னாலஜி நிறைய சார் வந்து நம்ம ரிசோர்ஸ் பர்சன் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நான் எல்லா டீட்டெயிலும் உங்களுக்கு மெயில்ல நான் அப்டேட் பண்றேன். இருந்தாலும் நான் இங்க ஒரு ஓரலா நான் சொல்றேன். அதனால உங்களுக்கு 2 நாள் லீவு, சாட்டர்டே சண்டே ஹாலிடே. அந்த 2 நாள்ல உட்காந்து உங்களுக்கு உங்களுடைய சப்ஜெக்ட் மேஜர் சப்ஜெக்ட்ல நீங்க என்ன ஸ்பெஷலைசேஷனோ அதை ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட டாபிக் எடுத்து நீங்க ஓபிஎஸ்லயோ இல்ல ஜூம்லயோ இல்ல ஸ்கிரீன் ஷேரிங்லயோ எது உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்குதோ அதை ரெடி பண்ணி ஐ வில் அப்டேட் த லிங்க். அந்த லிங்க்ல வந்து நீங்க மண்டேல இருந்து நீங்க அந்த லிங்க்ல நீங்க கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண அந்த வீடியோவை அட்டாச் பண்ணி நீங்க அனுப்புனீங்கன்னா immediately you will get your course completion certificate. Full detail and I will update today night or tomorrow morning. Thank you, Ananda.
Dr. Sabina, I think Dr. Sabina has asked a question and tell us about OpenShot. Dr. Smile, see, OpenShot is another tool which is not scheduled for the FDP. See, if we deal with OpenShot, it will take another 1.5 hours. So in the next workshop, we'll definitely, I think the organizers will list and we'll deal with that. Okay, don't worry. And with one question asked by Dr. Sabina, you can add the text. I'll show you right now. Look at there. See, if you want to add a text, you click 1 minute. I just open OpenShot. Click. For example, look at there.
Dr. Muruganandam asked how much time recorded videos are. That's your choice. Minimum 5 minutes to 10 minutes.
Yeah. For example, look at here. I want to have a text here. How to add text? Click the plus symbol. And text. See here. Text option is here. Click the text option and press OK. Type the text. For example, RUSA 2.0. Right? Press OK. See here, I've got the text here. RUSA 2.0. I just minimize it and put it on the top. Look at there. I've added a text. If I want to add my name here, see, click the plus symbol, source, and click the text. Sorry, we are exceeding time. Right. Now click OK and type, see for example, Dr. A. Vimal Jerald. Okay, press and change the color. See, my color will not be okay here. So I want to change the color. How to change the color? Select color and change color. See, I just want to change color into rose. So I've changed the color. Bring it at the bottom. See here, I just put it at the bottom. See, dear professors, I can put it even here. Okay, dear professors. So you can add text like this. Okay. Any other clarification, dear professors? Otherwise, we shall call it a day. Yeah. Professors,
Thank you,
any
sir.
clarification?
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I suppose, professors, today itself, please try. Otherwise, we will forget. Try today itself. Otherwise, we'll forget. Please let us try today itself. Otherwise, we'll forget. So I strongly appeal to you or recommending you to have a hands-on. Thank you very much. Over to the organizers. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you. And dear participants, thank you for your active participation.
I think we only have
Thank
to
you, sir.
thank
Thank
you
you, sir.
for your very nice session today, and even I was enjoying and I was learning along with the participants today. So very
Thank you,
nice
madam.
session.
The pleasure is mine. Thank you for staying.
But as
Thank
you
you,
said,
madam.
no,
Thank you.
unless otherwise we use it, we'll never be able to get a hang of it. And we need to keep using it time and again. So that is the key for any of these kind of tools.
Absolutely, madam. See, we may be interested today. If we forget it today, if we don't use it consistently, that's all. So as you said, time and again, we'll have to go have a hands-on and update ourselves with the same tool. We'll be mastering.
I had one question, Dr. Vimal. See,
Yes.
you were using one, the studio video in the background, right?
Yeah.
Where is that available?
Madam, you can take it from YouTube. YouTube, some free videos are available, Creative Commons videos. Or you can have a common background. If you don't like studio background, you can have a common background or search something in YouTube. You can get beautiful backgrounds in YouTube, madam. Different studio backgrounds.
Okay.
And there we can customize it. Bring it to PowerPoint. On the first day, I told you to bring it to the PowerPoint and customize it. Put our college name, or university name, or institution name with logo and things like that. We can create our own background. Yes, madam. By bringing the source.
Okay. That is something I was wondering. Over to you, Dr. Shankar.
Thank you, madam. Sir, Bavitra Raman ma'am asked one question. Sir, will you share today video too?
Yeah, definitely. I think Dr. Shankar is ready and we will do it.
So, ma'am, wait for 1 hour. I will update today YouTube link. Also send your mail.
Thank you so much. Yes, sir.
Today
Yes.
material.
Sir, sir, can I have your number, please? If you don't mind.
Whose number, madam?
Your number.
Tomorrow. Okay, no problem. Unga number
I put it in the chat, madam. Please take it.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Dr. Manjula. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, participants. All the best.
Sir, and you told you'll be organizing